Hey guys, James Armstrong here. I wanted to shoot this short video to show you how to add a subdomain to any domain that you happen to have in your hosting account. I use hostmonster.com as my hosting, and this is the cPanel that you will see once you get logged in. You want to look for your domain management tab section, and then your subdomain tab you click on. And basically you're going to add at the beginning of any domain name, say this jtmedia.info is my main domain. So say I want to add a separate domain. It's an actual separate domain, but it's going to be called webdesign.jtmedia.info. The home folder on this, you put it in there and it's going to add for you, or you can add your own. So it would add that, and then I would click create. And basically what you would have then is a webdesign.jtmedia.info would be the website, and you can set up your own. It's totally separate from the original jtmedia.info web domain name. I'll show you one that I already have that's existing by going to my domain list. I'm not sure if it shows my, let's see here. Alright, doesn't actually show it here. Let me see what else I can do to you. Subdomains, here we go. I think that might take me right back where we were, but these are the subdomains that I have. And let's say like this one here, the live training 5daysaweek.com that I showed you guys on the training. I created one for Michelle Keenan. She's my team leader. So basically hers is michelle.livetraining5daysaweek.com. And then I was able to go into that and create an entire new website that's tailored just to her with her links and her things. And you can do these with any existing domain name that you have. And by doing so, you're basically creating a totally new website without having to buy a new domain name, because you already own the main domain name that you're using. You just add another part in front of that with a dot, michelle.livetraining or 5daysaweek.com. And that way you can expand your website without actually having it all on the same website. I hope that helps. If you have any questions at all, feel free to PM me or Skype me, and I will definitely do everything I can to answer them for you. Have a great night. It was good talking with you, and I'll see you on the next video. And for those of you who have GoDaddy as your domain, there is a detailed GoDaddy support document that tells you how to manage your domain names and subdomains in that, and I will share that with you. One of the ways, to do that, it gives you step by step of what you do to log into your account manager. Once you get there, next to domains, the domain you want to add your subdomain to, you would click domains, and then you would click launch. From there, on the top menu, there's a DNS tab, and you click that and then select your DNS manager. That would open. For the domain name that you wish to create the subdomain for, you just click edit the zone. When the zone editor displays, you would click add new record, and from there you would select a host. And then you would do the following. Under host name, you would enter the subdomain you want to use. It can include a period, but not as the first or last character. Consecutive periods are not allowed. And point to an IP address. Enter the IP address you want it to point to. And then select how long the server should catch the information. Click OK, save the file, and go on. If you have questions with that, I'm not really familiar with GoDaddy. You could always call support and they can give you some more information, or you can probably actually search YouTube and find a way to do it as well. Just wanted to give you guys that information on top of that. We'll see you in the next video.